In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI to create HR training materials. Let's get started. I begin by clicking Create New AI and selecting the Generate option. I want to create a presentation, so I'll set the length to 7 cards and paste my detailed training prompt into the box. This training is focused on navigating the AI revolution with an emphasis on ethics, policy, and productivity. After clicking Edit Prompt, I'll review the settings to ensure the text is concise. I'll scroll down to choose the Flax theme for a clean, professional look, then I click Generate. As the AI works, you can see it instantly building our modules. It starts with the basics of generative AI in the office, providing clear descriptions of what the technology does and where it helps. It even creates a visual workflow diagram to show exactly how AI fits into our team's daily operations. Next, it generates important sections on data privacy and security, outlining clear rules for managers. It continues through Module 3, which covers identifying algorithmic bias in recruitment, and then moves on to human-in-the-loop best practices. The final card provides a perfect summary of key takeaways and contact information for the team. Now that the generation is finished, I can scroll back through to review everything. From here, I can start changing the content, editing the text, or adding more slides. I can also use the AI agent and the toolbar on the side to adjust layouts, add images, or include new blocks to customize the training exactly how I want it. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for HR training materials.